Today, we're unboxing a surge protector built with durability, safety, and convenience in mind. Right away, you'll notice the strong, sturdy packaging designed to protect your investment. The box features clear bilingual labeling, making it easy for customers across regions to understand the product details. Inside, the unit is securely packed in high-density protective foam. This ensures the surge protector stays safe from scratches or damage during transport, arriving in perfect condition. Here's the main unit itself. The design is sleek yet strong, engineered with safety at the core. The surge protector comes in two sizes to match your specific needs: 30 amp and 50 amp. The 50 amp model can withstand up to 7,200 joules, while the 30 amp unit is rated for 3,600 joules. On the face of the unit, you'll see a bright LED indicator. This lets you know when the surge protector is in use and clearly displays its operating mode. A clear, weather-resistant rain cover accommodates most industry-standard cords, keeping connections safe and protecting cord ends from the elements. Security is also built in. Each surge protector includes a locking ring, a 36-inch security cable, and a programmable lock, giving you peace of mind wherever your travels take you. This surge protector is certified for use in both the US and Canada, so you know it's built to meet high safety standards. Packed with features, designed with safety, and built for adventure, these surge protectors are an essential addition to any camping setup.